In this video, let us talk about KNN algorithm. KNN also called as K nearest neighbor. With the help of KNN algorithm, we can solve two problems. One is classification problem and the other one is regression problem. Let's see how we can solve with classification problem. Let's take the two axes. Let's say we have our data with red category. We also have another set of data with green category. Suppose we have a new data point here. We have our new data point here. Let us say our value of k is equal to 5. Now k here is hyperparameter. Now when we set k is equal to 5, it will try to find out the 5 such points which are nearer to this new data point. So let's see what are those 5 points. Now by looking here visually, we can say that there are 3 green points and 2 red points. So the majority is green. So the new point will be falling under green category. This is called classification problem. Now here we use two formulas to calculate the distances between the new point and the other points. We have two methods. The first one is Euclidean distance and the second one is Manhattan distance. Now let's see how we calculate with the help of Euclidean distance. Suppose we have x1 y1 here one point and we have another point x2 y2. Now here if I would like to calculate the distance between these 2 points, then my formula will be square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is Euclidean distance. Now let's see how we can calculate with the help of Manhattan distance. Similarly, we have 2 points here, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So here we cover this horizontal path and we also cover this vertical path. So here our formula will be modulus of x2 minus x1. So whatever that falls, the value between the difference of x2 and x1 will become positive because of modulus, and similarly with y also. And this is the formula for Manhattan distance. Now let's look at the regression problem. Regression problem is also similar to our classification problem. Let's say we have two axes and we have our data points scattered here in this way. Okay. Now here in this case, suppose we have our new data point somewhere here. Now it will take the average of 5 such nearest distance points, which is our output. And this is very simple, and this is called a regression problem. Now here we have two problems. One is outliers and the other one is imbalanced data. So when we have outliers in our data and also when we have imbalanced data, KNN algorithm won't perform well. Let's look at with outliers. Suppose we have our axis like this and our data is scattered here with red category. We also have another category with green. Okay, let's say we have an outliers for red category somewhere here. Okay, suppose if we have our new data point somewhere here. Okay, not here. Let's just put somewhere. Let me just put it on. Okay, our new data point is somewhere here. Okay, now this new data point actually belongs to the green category, but because of outliers this new data point will be pulling into the red category, which is a wrong prediction, so definitely KNN won't perform well with the outliers and similarly with imbalanced data. All right, this is it in this video. We'll see you in the next one.